Hi, Snyder Stallions. It's Mrs. Prim here with today's read aloud for math. This book's called A Fractions Goal, Parts of a Whole by Brian P. Cleary, illustrated by Brian Gable. A fraction, a part of a whole number. Fractions are a portion, a piece or just a part, of something that is larger, like this segment on this chart. Or look at this round pizza. It can be cut in two, or 4, or 6, or 8, or more, whatever best suits you. But let's say that it's cut in two and you pick up one slice. If you've got one piece out of two, it's half to be precise. Next, cut that pizza into 4 and take one single piece. That's 1/4 now. Can you see how the size has been decreased? So now, if someone wants half, 2 slices will be needed. 2/4 and 1/2 are the same. They're different ways to read it. Fractions also work with groups, like 2/3 of the players, 7/8 of the jugglers, and 1/2 of the mayors. Pretend you have 3 uncles and 2 came for a visit. That would mean 2/3 were there. That's not so hard now, is it? Let's say the 3rd one then showed up to join in all the fun. That's one whole group of uncles, 'cause 3/3 equals 1. Fractions come in handy if ever you help with baking. You'll see them in the recipes for breads and cakes you're making. 3/4 tablespoons of salt. Add 2/3 cup of flour, 5/8 cup of chocolate chips, and bake for half an hour. The numerator is the word for the number that's on top. Like the 3 that's in we lost 3/10 of this year's crop. The number underneath the slash is a denominator. Note that nearly all the time this bottom number's greater. Fractions can be used in pizzas, planes, and cranes, and plants. You'll know more than just a portion if you give them half a chance. So what is a fraction? Do you know? Hopefully you'll be able to go around the house, maybe bake with someone in your family, see what fractions you can find around the house.